One of the easiest way to add some glamour and fun to your plates is to switch out the light plates. And it's very simple to do. All you do is remove it, just unscrew it, and yeah, use your flathead screwdriver to remove it, and then put on the new plates, and then that's it. So the plates I'm gonna use are these here. Yeah, I got these from Home Depot and they are gorgeous and I'm excited to use them. Yeah, and these are the screws it comes with. I'm gonna be using my power drill for this because I don't have a manual screwdriver. Yep, just take it to that and remove it. There it is, all done and gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Seriously, the flash doesn't do it justice. I'm like, I had to turn off my lights and put on my flash so you could kind of see it, but this plate is gorgeous. I'm so glad I bought it. Oh my gosh, what a huge difference. Huge.